Welcome to navigating our class Blackboard page. So what we're going to do in this screencast is just walk you through some basics of using our class Blackboard page so you'll be successful throughout the entirety of the semester. To begin, of course, we want to access the Blackboard page, and you will get used to using my.utsa.edu as it will, of course, get you to this page with not only Blackboard but ASAP and other issues like OneDrive for Business. So, of course, we'll click into our Blackboard Learn. From the login page, make sure to put your 3x3, your 3 letters and 3 number ID, and then of course your passphrase to log in. And once you're logged in, you'll have your courses over here on this side, on the right side of the screen, and you'll want to look for your class. Now I'm just going to look for one of my 1013 classes, but this applies to all of them. So I'm here in the class page, and I'm going to go ahead and move it to student view. It'll change, because yours is a little bit different than mine. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to come into our class homepage. And our class homepage, you'll be able to access our syllabus, which will be here. And of course, the Start Here folder. The Start Here folder has an upcoming reading you should do on how to succeed in this class specifically, an upcoming assignment. It also has 3 folders that'll help you. We have a writing help folder, which includes the MLA format video and this video you're watching right now, as well as directions for annotated bibliographies. It has a grammar help folder, which is currently empty. This will have material to help you with grammar. And then helpful links. The helpful links folder will have multiple different ones: writing links, UTSA links, topic links. Writing links are places online that will help you with your writing, like the UTSA Library, the UTSA Library databases, library tutorials, Al at Purdue, and the University of Texas at San Antonio Writing Center. The UTSA links, of course, will have some of the basics like My UTSA, ASAP, the fall final exam schedule, and the writing program site. Now, there is nothing in topic links right now, but as the semester progresses and we find interesting information online, we'll be able to share it through topic links. When you find a great site that you want to share with the class, please go ahead and send it to me via email, and I will post it here. So we'll go ahead and go back to the Start Here. And now I've actually covered all these basics. Now you'll notice I can navigate in different places. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and go back to our home page, and our home page is this page. And I can actually navigate by choosing from here in the center region, or I can go here on the side and be able to pull up other areas. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the papers to be completed. The portfolio and presentation folders will look very similar. So you'll have all 4 of your all 4 papers in the report that we'll be doing this semester, and you'll go into a paper, and the directions will be handy at the top. At the very bottom will be the rubric I'll be grading from. Your Draft 1 and Draft 2 assignments will be here, as well as your annotated bibliography assignment. You'll basically, if you're ready to do something, you'll click on this link here, and you'll be able to write your submission, but I do recommend browsing your computer. Basically, write your draft, write your annotated bibliography first, and then upload it here to Blackboard. Now, Blackboard does accept a lot of different files, but I want to focus only on DOC and .docx. That means Word files. I only want material submitted in Word files. If you do not have Word, if you head to the OneDrive for Business link on our My UTSA page, you'll actually be able to download the entirety of the Microsoft Office suite for free. So there's no reason anyone can't have that. So that's going to be accessing your assignments. Now, once a paper is done, again, I'm going to go back to the home page. I'll move it from the Papers to be Completed folder into the Completed Papers folder so that we won't get confused by them. Again, the portfolio and the presentation folder will be here in the near future. Now, you are also going to be accessing groups over the semester, so there's a group link, and each of you will be in a group. Now, there are 6 groups. I'm having no display content because I'm not officially in any group, but the group that you are in will be accessible here on this page, and you'll be able to contact all the members within your group. Now, groups have been manually enrolled. That means it was random, and I let the computer do it. Now, another useful thing are the Tools function here on Blackboard. From the Tools area, you can do a number of different things, and one of the most important ones of those, of course, is going to be send email. If you wish to send email to anyone in the class, you can do all users in the course, a specific group in the course. You can send it to me, other select users, select groups. You can select different people. Let's say if we want to select users, We actually have a full list of everyone in the course, including me. There I am. You just put the person over there, write your subject, and write in your message, and then hit submit. Once you do that, this will actually go to the person's chosen email address. And of course, if you notice, you can always attach a file. Now also from the Tools page, we're going to go ahead and go back to Tools. There are a lot of other tools you are welcome to use. I'm not going to require most of these. But what I do want to mention, of course, and it's not showing up at the moment, I don't know why, check later, is the My Grades option. The My Grades option will actually show all of your grades. You'll notice you'll have a weighted total. Whatever is in that particular item will be your current grade for the class. As if I gave you a grade on today, that would be the grade. Now these other areas are going to be the items you have to turn in. So if you notice there's a spot for papers 1, 2, 3, and 4, the Q report, the Q items, which right now are only including the pre-test and the post-test, your portfolio, your group presentation. Now if you looked at your syllabus, you have a developmental average and an attendance average. So all of your developmental homework will be averaged here. As you can see, there's 3 of them already available. You'll go ahead and you'll have the average here. This is what I'm going to be using to create your total grade. These are what's being averaged. Same goes for an attendance. There will be an attendance average, and it will average all the attendance items. So once all these are done, once whatever ones are there will be averaged here, and this will be, of course, added to the weighted total. So that's how you're going to find all of that important information here on Blackboard. Now there are some other neat things for you to use. If you need help, feel free to go to the help section. If you want to access the notifications page, you are welcome to, but a lot of people don't like it and have problems with it, so we're going to keep our home page as our start page. So that's the basics for navigating Blackboard. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask, and good luck this semester.